Hello everyone, my name is Kamal and welcome to fractallend, the first P2P lending protocol for ordinals and CAT20 tokens on the Fractal Bitcoin chain. So here you can use your inscriptions as collateral to borrow CAT20 tokens, and you can provide liquidity to earn interest on your CAT20 tokens. Let's first discuss the problem statement. So the first being limited liquidity problem. So ordinary holders often face challenges in accessing liquidity without selling their NFTs. As you can see on the fractal Bitcoin chain, here we have the marketplace and there are lots of inscriptions out there worth many dollars, but without selling them, and buying and selling is the only thing that you can do with ordinals. But here we are giving you more functionality and we are increasing the liquidity. The underutilization of assets. The valuable ordinal collections lack utility beyond collection and trading. The third is market inefficiency. No standard platform for peer-to-peer lending using Bitcoin ordinals as collateral is present right now. So we decided to build this. The fourth one being risk management. So we have a need for secure collateralization and liquidation mechanisms. So we came up with solution to build and solve this problem. fractallend addresses these challenges by creating a secure P2P lending marketplace for ordinal holders, enabling CAT20 token holders to earn yield, implementing automatic liquidation mechanisms to protect lenders. And here are the features that we provide for borrowers and lenders. They range from borrowing CAT20 tokens using ordinals as collateral, multi-supported CAT20 tokens. Some of the ones that we support are OPCAT, PsychoCat, and Shasha. Up to 70% LTV ratio, 7-day fixed lending period, and whatnot. For lenders, the lenders can lend CAT20 tokens against verified ordinal collections. So let's see the live demo where we can see that this is the landing page where you can see some of the statistics. Here you can connect your wallet. So Unisat wallet would pop up. Let's connect our account. So we have connected and now we can launch the app. It will take you to the landing page. And on the landing page, you will see that we have currently two whitelisted available collections, which are inscriptions like Frazuki and Fractal Satoshi. You can find the same on the Unisat marketplace. If you go out here, you will see both of the Frazuki and Fractal Satoshis. They are under top 5 ones. On this page, you can see other features like the floor price that is fetched using Unisat APIs and the how many listed ordinals are there in that collection. And here you can see if you click on website, it will take you to that specific website of that specific ordinal collection. Like here it took us to fractal.inscribe for the Fractal Satoshis. And now we can create a loan offer. Here you will see that you can lend CAT20 tokens if you have for this specific ordinals, and you will see here that we have different options of CAT20 tokens. You can lend OPCAT, you can lend PsychoCat, and etc. of the CAT20 tokens, each of which whose value is actively fetched using CAT20 APIs. And here you will see all the loan terms like the duration, the collateral, the floor price, the token price. And here you will select the amount that you want. The minimum you can select is 0.1 FBTC. And after this, you can simply click on create lending offer to create your lending offer. A brief overview of the loan system is here. Here we have a lender who has CAT20 tokens, who wants to lend his CAT20 tokens in the specific inscription. So he can send the CAT20 tokens in the loan agreement. And the other side, we have borrowers who have those inscriptions and they need CAT20 tokens and they will lock their inscription. So how this step goes is like they deposit the inscription into the smart contract vault and they lock the inscription as collateral in the loan agreement. And and then they get this CAT20 tokens. Now, after getting the CAT20 tokens for the specific duration, like it was like for example, it was like here 7 days, and for some other inscriptions it could be more days too, and the interest rate would be specific to that. The LTV ratio is kept at 70% capped, and after 80% automated liquidation takes place. We have mechanisms for that. Now, if the borrower repays within the same duration, then his inscription gets returned from the loan agreement and his inscription gets returned to him. But if it fails to return, then the inscription is transferred to the CAT20 tokens who are the lenders who have lent their CAT20 tokens in that specific loan agreement. And this is how the whole loaning system works. And here we have our front end with Next.js, and API calls are made to CAT20 etc. with Unisat APIs, inscription API and collection. And we have a backend which tracks active loans and monitors the price using the different APIs with the CAT20 tokens and the ordinals. Now here we can also take a look at the borrowing page. The borrowing page is for the people who have some inscriptions of these collections. So if you want to borrow CAT20 tokens, you would simply come out here. Here you will see the floor price, which is 0.89, which you can verify for the Fractal Satoshis. Like this collection has 0.89 currently floor price. Now you can borrow, and here you will see the interest rate, the number of duration that you want to borrow. You can set all that, and here you will see the maximum LT loan amount that you can borrow. Like this is 0.67 FBTC. That you 6.74 FBTC that you can borrow for this collection, and the floor price which has to be matched, and then you can create an offer by submitting some of these details, like if it's 8% APR, 7 days, and maximum loan to value ratio is here, and you can click on create offer, and you will see your Unisat would pop up asking you to confirm your transaction. Here is one of the inscription that I would be signing and sending, and if I click on sign and pay, this is for demo, but it is how it would work. Your inscription would get locked, your payment would be successful, and you can see that in the explorer for the fractal. Here you will be able to see all the transaction details. So my inscription is getting transferred, and after that cat20 tokens would be the tokens that I would be receiving in term of my deposits, and after before 7 days I would have to repay the loan if I don't want to lose my inscription. This is how fractallend is based, and with automatic liquidation mechanisms. So this was all about fractallend. Hope you love the project. Thank you.